Our land may know poverty.
But we are not poor in determination and imagination.
Bilang kabataan, hindi namin tanggap ang ganitong kalagayan.
Uwang katuwirang kami bata para mapakinggan.
We can make a stand, to take a step forward. We believe we can help build our nation.
Kami may kakayanang gumamit ng teknolohiya tungo sa pag-unlad.
Kami may lakas ng loob solusyonan ang problema ng nakaraan.
Our visions and ideas matter.
With Project Pagsulong, they have a chance to become reality.
In this quest for progress and prosperity,
we know we will succeed.
We have the numbers.
We have the motivation.
We have the capability. We have the opportunity. And together as one nation,
we can make things happen.
We are young.
We're here.
We are ready.